Good morning and welcome back to the channel and to another day of our Croatian holiday. Today we're actually leaving Croatia and going into Slovenia and we're off to Lake Bled. So we'll see you either on the way or at Lake Bled. See you later on. Bye. So we've stopped off in Ljubljana? Ljubljana. We've got 50 minutes, but people's arguments are having an hour. So and then we're going on to Lake Bled. So we'll have a wander around here. Nice little place. Castle up on the hill, which we won't have time to go to. Just wander the streets.
It says, you know, no, it's
yeah. It's a lovely place, isn't it?
It is big, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Plenty of cafes again. That must be it there, cathedral behind there. It's not as busy as well I thought it would be. Yeah, well, like, we're in its centre here. So this is the cathedral. It's very ornate though. Very ornate though. Very ornate though. So that's the cathedral just been in. The fresh market. Go and buy a bit of fresh fruit. So we'll walk down to Dragon Bridge down there and go across there. So glad I got my big hat on. So we're on the Dragon Bridge now. Have little boat trips upriver. So this is the Dragon Bridge. So it's all 18th century this, we're going to watch this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Destroyed by an earthquake. And then rebuilt. Yeah, we're listening for a bit. Oh, that represent, we've got plenty of locks on it. So there's plenty of love locks on this bridge. I don't know what they're supposed to represent, but certainly very warm, I must admit. Go back in shade. I'll go up to the triple bridge now and have a look at that. Certainly a warm one though, isn't it? That's the three-way bridge, isn't it? Yeah. the square round here, and we're close to meeting point. That's Preserve. I'm probably pronouncing it totally wrong. You got the castle up on the hill there. Right, let's blare up this bit. So walk along there a bit, cross bridge and back down this way. A little bit of time, won't it? So that's your three-way bridge. So there's plenty of cafes, isn't there? The canopy's over. And little tunnels that takes out of the road, isn't it? Yeah. Cross this bridge and work his way back. Just in time. Right, let's run us way back to coach then.
It is people here have cows, so it's high up in the mountain. Where you see the peaks of these mountains, they take you see far away even some snow on the peak of those mountains. And you go on the other part where you're on the shade, so you don't walk on the sunshine. But you see there is a little breeze.
It is. Yeah, we've got boats. I won't have time to do boats. Just soak up the atmosphere.
Yeah. Don't go walk this way, walk around the other way where you have a shade.
Walkers there, not walkers.
Those are those little boats which go on the island.
Right, so here we are, we're at Lake Bled. Have to walk round and soak up the atmosphere. Certainly a warm one. We're not going on a boat because it's going to take too much time up. Yeah, if we go on a boat it's going to take too much precious time up, isn't it? Yeah. Well, we've only got 2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah, just gentle stroll. Hello.
You like it?
Yes, that's the hotel up there then, isn't it? Yes, it's nice to be in the shade, I must admit.
What did she say? 34 degrees.
34 degrees. Can't knock it, can you? Can't believe the colour of that water. Turquoise, blue. See the fish. All resting in shade. There we are, the church on the island on Lake Bled. Beautiful. That's one off your tick list. Yeah. Another one off your tick list, I should say, not one. Yeah, be warm in this weather on them steps. Yes, it's a beautiful little place, I must admit. Like everything else, you just get a taster, don't you?
Yeah.
Of what there is and what to do. And if you want to come back, you can come back.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Nothing to stop you. You can even tote caravan in if you want.
Yeah, I'm sure you could
Yeah.
actually, yeah.
Probably cost more than rate for this holiday, but
Yeah.
with fuel and towing caravan.
Yeah, I think it would.
Yeah.
Cost-wise, yeah. Probably on a car, but you don't know until you look into it, but...
That's trouble, there's photos around every corner. Video clips and photos.
I tell you, I looked on last night.
Our Andrew goes in.
Yeah, you mentioned it. Yeah, I was just thinking.
So you got your Lake Bled painting watercolour.
Yeah.
And he did a nice little caricature on back.
Yeah.
So we'll have a look at that. We'll have a look at that a bit later on. We get on coach.
Lovely guy.
So that will be a reminder of our trip to Lake Bled, and will be framed and hung on our wall of all the places we've been and we bought watercolours. On the back of the while we just sat there, and he did caricatures of us. So, and that only cost us, well, it was €4, so give him €5. So we'll carry on with exploring Lake Bled.
Great.
Yeah, he was saying he hopes going up time to go right round.
Yeah, it did say.
Have your cake and eat it. You'll be full on that one.
Yeah.
So that's it, that's his day out done. We've got to travel back to a hotel in Croatia, in Llubljana. So it's going to be going on 7 o'clock before we get there tonight, 6:30, 7 o'clock. It's been a beautiful day. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with us today. If you did, don't forget, give me that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and also click that little notification bell so it'll tell you when we're on his next adventure. So we'll say goodbye from Lake Bled. Bye for now. Bye.